Good morning, doctor. We're here in Davao Dental Society Incorporated here in Lanang. So, here's the doctor. Nagre-register na sila. Hey, hello. Asa na si ano? Wait lang.
Ayun siya naka-ipin. Ayun o.
Sige, punta ko sa inyo mamaya ha. Let's go inside.
Wala po mo tagaik? Wala mo tagaik? Parang nasa mga
So with that, a big round of applause to everyone, especially to our organizers. And of course, headed by our president this year, Dr. Sara. Thank you very much and congratulations. And it's good to hear na ang ating expo is not just an exhibit of the new technologies or innovations to further
dito yung seminar, by the way.
But also, it's an opportunity also to engage, to collaborate, and to gather more support to help more the Baweños para maganda ang smiles ng lahat. So with that, you all deserve a big round of applause. Alright, at this juncture, I am honored to hear a message for everyone. It is my honor to have him on stage and hear his message for everyone. We have Miss Angel Solis of the D-Bron Hospital. The D-Bron Hospital has been set as partner for innovation and improving patient care in Thailand. So once again, please help me welcome here on stage Miss Angel Solis from the D-Bron Hospital.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Ms. Angel and I will be on and also as a people. Before anything else, I would like to thank the Dental Society for having us here, for allowing us to collaborate with them. It is our main mission to support our healthcare professionals in their professional field, especially in the dental surgery and dental practice. We mainly offer solutions and products, for example, like our specialists and our
Madam.
prevention plan. But this year is our second year to participate.
Send ko na sa, ilagay ko sa GC ah.
The partnership of many institutions like you that allow us to be successful in the field and allow us to hopefully
Please come and visit here at Lanang, SM Lanang here in Davao.
This year we are in partnership with the Institute of Dental Medicine of Davao City for their oral surgery series using D-Bron.
Madam, sa G.
Hindi ko maalala. Alam mo ba, sa million na yata lang yung lugar. Pag minsan tinatanong ako ni Alan, yung sa hotel, wala ko talaga akong maalala. Araw-araw pa namang nasa hotel.
Okay ka muna. Asan tayo, be?
Sobrang yung...
Ha?
Asan tayo?
Ang maalala ko yung masarap na pagkain ko
lang.
sa dami nakakain.
Lanang,
naka-video ka pala.
Lanang ano?
Ha?
Lanang ano?
Or yung
Davao
pangit na tinulugan mo.
Or yung
madumi na
tinulugan
siya.
mo na.
Go Duterte.
Alam mo, helicopter.
Yun ang
Mga nakatanda-tanda.
naalala ko yun at ayoko nang puntahan yun.
Nandito kami sa what's this? Event. Doon yung mga friendship hubs naman dito sa Tapor, Gide, Hansen Dental Medical, ZMZ, Solident. Ayan, dito kami banda. Kain ka muna. Gogomed. Hindi pa masyadong ano yung aming place. Kasi hindi pa dumarating yung iba. I don't know, parang nasa airport na yung iba.
Ha?
Okay.
Ganda itong Sensidol. Yan lang yung benta nila. Isa lang produkto.
Saan?
Sensidol.
Ay, Sensidol. Oo.
Tapos ng seminar, hakot, balikan.
So today is February 14, 2025, right here at SM Lanang, Davao City.